Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw some vBucks. And I'm going to start out with one single one and then I'll draw a stack of them. So let's get started with a quick sketch and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and it's going to be pretty simple. So to draw this, we're going to be having it stand on its side. So just draw one curve going up like this, and then we're going to draw the opposite curve on the other side. Okay, so this is basically the inside of the coin and it is in perspective. So now we got to draw the same curve, and if you want to, you can start from the bottom or you can try doing it this way. So we're drawing just another curve, same thing, just bigger. So you can use that one as a guide and just kind of go around it. Just go all the way around. So you're basically drawing a circle in perspective. Alright, so once you have that, now we're going to draw the thickness of the coin. So we're just kind of from the corner here, from the very top, just come out with a straight line. Okay, and then now we're going to draw the same curve here as this one. So we just follow that. Alright, so now it looks like a coin with perspective. And then for here on the inside, right here, you want to draw the same kind of curve as this one. So just give it a little bit of thickness. But toward the end, just kind of pinch it in. Okay, so now it looks like there's some detail inside. So to draw the V, we can actually go from here, right? Just draw one line and draw another line here. And then we're gonna connect that. Just the inside, and then the V coming down. Just give it that angle, might be a little bit tricky. And then just close it off. And then to give this some perspective, you can just draw in these lines, okay, and then connect them. And then on the bottom, go out this way, because it looks like there's a bevel to the letter. So go out that way and then connect this. And then on these two corners, just connect that. And then here, just drawing a line there. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit tricky, especially with these Sharpie. Okay, so it's not too bad. So now there's gonna be three lines around it. So just follow those curves. Just draw one. And then from there, just draw another one on the outside. And then just draw a curve connecting them. So those are actually very easy. Okay, so from here, just come across, draw a line, draw another line, same curve. Now connect them with a curve. Okay, and then for the top one, it's gonna be a little bit shorter. So it's just gonna be like that. And just connect them. Alright, so if you want, you can actually just turn it around, and now it looks like you have the coin sitting on its face. Okay, so let's draw another one, but at a slightly different angle. I'm gonna draw a stack of them. So from here, we can draw in one curve, and this one's gonna be more in perspective, and then the opposite curve. So you get used to drawing this, you can actually draw it pretty fast. And then now we're just gonna give it some thickness, so we're gonna draw the same curve. Curve down, and this one, just make it a little bit wider. Okay, so this is wider than that. Okay, and then on the inside, same curve, and then for the thickness here, just go straight down. And then same curve as the one on the top. Alright, so then for the V, well, let's see the two lines here. So you can just draw like a little, I'm going to draw it this way. Let's draw a little angle and then the two lines. And then just close that off. And then now for this one, just come out this way. Close that off. And this one, go out this way. Close that off, and if you can, there's room, just close those two off. So now it looks like a V, but it's all squashed up. All right, so now for these lines, so just curve it, and then another curve, and then close it. And this one here, a little bit shorter. Close it, and then this one is gonna be a little bit tighter because the space is smaller. Close it. All right, so that's another chip. So if you want to make a stack of them, it's really easy. You just kind of continue these two lines, and then just draw another curve. Okay, and if you want to offset it a little bit, you can actually start in here a little bit, right? And then it's gonna come out a little bit more. And we can connect these. And then in here you might see a little bit, so you have to draw a little bit of curve. You have to draw that curve. Okay, so we're gonna come down. Let's make it a little bit higher. I might have made that one a little bit too thin. All right, so then let's say we wanna come out a little bit, so we're gonna draw that. Close this off. And then here we're gonna draw this line and then that line. And that is it for this vBucks. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.